Hey guys, decided to make a balloon arch for back to school. Yes, I am this bored. So yeah, you can see me here blowing up all the balloons. I got this balloon blower from Amazon and it was pretty cheap. And the funny thing about this balloon arch is everything besides the balloon blower is from the dollar store. So yeah, super cheap. I spent $19 at the dollar store on balloons, but I got other stuff too. So I may have gotten 6, 7 bags of balloons. Here you see me tying all of the balloons in twos. And this just makes it easier to put it on the fishing wire that I use. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, tying everything together. Got Kai helping me. All hands on deck. This is where I begin to wrap, and what you're going to do is wrap in like a figure 8 shape. I will say that this was a little bit harder for me because I've never used this fishing wire. I normally use like the string you tie on balloons. To me, yep, got Eric helping too. To me, that string is a lot more durable, a lot easier. Most people like to use a fishing wire, but I am not a pro at it. I didn't like it, so I think I'll stick with my regular balloon string. I like that better. So yeah, I didn't do anything too big, nothing too fancy. This took me maybe an hour. Here it is hanging it up. So just a few pictures. And here we